Hey folks, welcome back to The Moment with Big Country. That's me. Yeah, cause I'm big, what's up with you? Anyways, today we're gonna go after the North American duck. It's gonna be freaking exciting. You're gonna freaking love it, okay? I got my main man, Jay Zizzle, Mr. Jared, the Marine. Ladies, you know who I'm talking about. By the way, single guy. I don't know why. Somebody better get a hold of this guy. He's great, okay? Anyways, so we love hunting, y'all know that. We love shooting things with our bow, and we love bringing you guys the moment, those exciting hunts that you look forward to and that you wait without sleep at night, waiting to watch us, okay? So thanks for coming. Again, we love you guys. Like, share, comment, and guess what? Subscribe!
Oh, crap, see? Give me the setting.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh.
Shoot it.
There we go.
Perfect.
Alright, today is August 30th. We're here out at the Sleigh Boss Farm. They called us out here today to take care of their ducks, getting them ready for dinner tonight. 2 shots, 2 kills, pretty easy. We're blessed to be out here. Let us come out to this beautiful property and help them out a little bit, because that's what we like to do. We got deer season coming up here in about 30 days, so stay tuned for that. I'm Jared, and this is The Moment with Big Country.
Hey, well, welcome back, folks. Thank you for watching The Moment with Big Country on YouTube. This is Jan. So how you doing today, Jan?
Hi.
She's doing good. There you
Yes.
go. So how did you enjoy The Moment with Big Country?
I absolutely loved it.
Well, daggone, that's right. How you do it right there. Let's go do something.
All right, can't wait to see it again.
Woo!
Am I recording? I'm blowing it off. Right there in the camera lens. I want you throwing feathers.
Yeah, like snow.
Alright, ready? Yeah, like so.
What's up, all my fans? How you doing out there in the great big world of technology where you can be my friend from anywhere? What's up? I'm Big Country. I'm a great hunter. I'm the best shot probably in the whole city of a population of 10. But anyways, we're gonna shoot the North American duck today. Pretty excited about that. There will be some blood, and very sorry for that for those who don't like blood, but blood is what is inside of an animal, and it does come out. So I apologize again, and thanks for watching The Moment with Big Country.
Alright, done.
What's up? Welcome back to The Moment with Big Country. I'm Joel. They call me Big Country. What's up? Today we got Jay Zizzle, Mr. Jared the Marine, going to kill some Northern American luminous ducko. And it's going to be awesome. Stay tuned. This is the first episode